What's going on, guys? As you guys can see, it's at the airport right now. I'm at the Fort Lauderdale airport right now, so I'm about to go to Chicago. Going to Chicago, so yeah, man, I'm going to my new job orientation today, and see you guys in Chicago. First time to sit in the room. Usually I go all the way in the back. Alright guys, I just touched down to Chicago. It's freaking hot in here. But yeah, just touched down and then I'm gonna make some phone call right now. But you should try it if you wanna be a truck driver.
Yeah, I try and then you're back here. You see? And then it's scary.
Yeah, the horn, huh?
Yeah.
They call that the highway horn.
Yeah.
Oh man.
And then people say this Owen truck. And then if something happened too much pay, tax it is very expensive.
Texas?
Tax. And
Oh, taxes?
Yeah, everything is, something happened and body shop fix something. Oh man, too much expensive,
No, it's depend on the company that you work for.
Yeah, company is good, yeah.
They take care of those things. But if you want to be an owner operator, you want to have your own truck.
It's very hard, yeah.
That's when it's get expensive.
Yeah. But you are very smart because company working,
Yeah. I'm a company driver for now.
Before you what you doing?
Before I do Lyft too.
Oh.
Yeah, back home in Florida.
Florida is good, make money.
Yeah, Fort Lauderdale. Yeah, they not bad.
One day, how much you make?
And one day, if you're really driving, you can make 300.
300.
If you're really driving.
How many hours you?
How many hours you have to drive? Let's say you wake up like 6 in the morning and finish around 6, 7 in the afternoon. Yeah, you can make that money.
Yeah, good make money. Yeah.
How about around here? How much you can make a day?
And then sometimes it's busy, bonus, and then plus tips, you know, and then 200,
Okay.
another, yeah.
It's
But
not
here,
bad.
too many drivers, you know.
Too many drivers. It's just like
Yeah.
Fort Lauderdale. That's
Yeah,
once you're in big cities, yeah.
very large city, but in too many drivers. Even before I have Uber, too much customer complaint. I said Uber fighting, so Uber in my account closed.
Oh, they closed your account?
Yeah, they are in the say, okay, no need. Why you now follow customer? And then,
Right.
yes, I did. But then customer all customer everyone.
They be
I
lying,
know.
huh?
Yeah, 7-Eleven, you know, gas station, buy something. Fuck, this is too many Indian people. Too much fucking complaint. Too much this one, you know.
Right.
So and then I fighting Indian people. So and then Uber said, oh, we are in the too many drivers, no problem, you know.
Right.
But I said, I don't know, open account there, said, okay.
But if you become a truck driver, you don't have to deal with people.
Yeah.
You just drive your load and pick up your load, deliver your load. If you by yourself. I'm finally at the hotel right now. So I just wanna quickly show you guys how the hotel look like, what they got me in. So you guys will be the judge. Let me know. Oh, look, that shit is leaking. That shit is leaking, y'all. Look, whenever you see your whenever you see stuff like this, that's when it's leaking. Oh Lord. So yeah, this is where the new company, so this is where the new company got me at. Some microwave. Okay. So small ass TV. Oh man, that shit look ghetto. Yeah, you got your boy in Super 8. I never rent those kind of hotels when I'm booking my own shit. But hey, this company, man, they don't. And this is my view. This company, man, they don't really care. As long as they give you, they put you somewhere to sleep. Can't be bitching about it like I'm doing right now. Now I'm gonna take a bath, take a shower, man, cause I'm tired, man. Your boy's really tired. So yeah, man. I'm gonna take a shower. So quick review, man. Recap. I fly here, Chicago, and they got me from the flight from Chicago. From Chicago, I took a Lyft to another city that was like 43 minutes. But god damn, I paid the highest Lyft ride ever. I never paid that much money. That ride cost me, okay, at first, okay, when I was in the airplane, right? I check it. I was inside of the airplane. I checked I just see the rides, and there was a $67 one. I was like, what? $67? That's a lot of money, right? And then by the time I get off the airplane and to go get my stuff, you know, you have to for you to wait for your baggage. You have to you're gonna wait for a while, okay? So by the time I finish get my baggage and go out to go get ready, because I don't want to book a Lyft if I don't get my baggage yet. What if the driver was close by, right? So by the time I'm done, that thing goes up to 90. Was it 90? No, it was $89. It goes up to $89.91, something like that. Then I'm like, whoa, that was crazy. Then the first driver that was supposed to pick me up, that stupid, he wasn't even there yet, and he put that he arrived, right? And then on the app, they ask you where you at, okay? If you at the lower level or upper level. That dude went upper level, and then he wasn't even get there yet, and he put that he arrived. I called the guy, text the guy didn't, he didn't pick up, he didn't reply back. Then he canceled the ride. I'm like, really, dude? Shoot, all right. Then when I get another, request another one, the price goes up. The price goes up to $96. I'm like, whoa, shoot. Then that lady finally come and go to the lower level where the other stupid driver was supposed to come. So when the lady was super cool, as you can hear the conversation I was having with her, the lady was super cool. And then when the lady dropped me to the, while I was in the car, the job texts me and say, hey, instead of coming to the office, go straight to the clinic where you can do your drug test and stuff. So they asked me they sent me another address to change it. Then when I change the address on the Lyft, that thing goes up to $114 and couple cents. So the ride cost me $114 and couple cents. I'm like, dang, that was crazy. That was the highest I ever paid for a Lyft ride. That was the highest, I'm telling y'all. That was the highest. Then after that, I do the drug test, everything is done. There was some little problem with printer issue. Spent a little bit of time in there. Now I get me a ride from the thing. They send me an hotel, book my hotel, send me a ride from the hotel. No, they didn't send me a ride. I had to pay for the Lyft again from the hotel from the clinic then to the hotel. So right now I'm here. So tomorrow I'm supposed to go there. I don't know what time tomorrow I'm supposed to go, but they said tomorrow I'm supposed to go to the office for the orientation, which I called them people and they did not pick up. So one thing I realized, I don't know the guy that I've been talking to, if he's the manager or whatever he is, but one thing I realized, those people after 5 o'clock, they don't pick up their phone. Even I got the personal numbers. After 5 o'clock, they don't pick up. So now I'm thinking, what if when I'm in the road, there's an emergency and, it's kind of late. Like, do they have other numbers to call? Maybe, I hope so, okay? Because if they the one you have to contact, I can see that you having a driver having problem in the middle of the night or, after 5 o'clock, yeah, it's gonna be a headache because they don't pick up their personal phone. They don't pick up their phone. Okay. So yeah, guys, this is where I'm at with it. Tomorrow I'm gonna let you guys know how the orientation went. So yeah, but your boy tired and hungry. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna order me some food and take a shower and get ready for tomorrow. See you guys for another video. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment.